Halo Infinite's campaign co-op won't arrive with Season 2 in May.
Yeah.
It's set to launch later during Season 2. So we still don't have co-op?
No.
Damn. That was the whole Halo thing.
Every Halo had co-op right out the gate.
Out the gate.
I think with Forge mode, too.
Man, when I was a kid, co-op was it. I love the co-op. So fun. Teamwork, story.
Kill each other as well with the grenade.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just a regular, pleasant old time.
Fun time.
I don't know what the difficulties are or what might be taking so long, but remember there were delays originally with the game. They wanted to get it right. Now, you've been playing a game, right? You played it a little bit?
Here and there, yeah. They had a really big PC multiplayer issue with the big team battle. Apparently no one could connect, and people who did had just lag problems. It was all over the place, and it took a while for them to fix it. They did fix it, but now there's other things that need to be rolled out, such as multiplayer and Forge mode, but they still need to fix bugs. So it's a whole process that they need to get through.
That's gaming in 2022, though.
Yeah.
That's video games in 2022. It's a constant development process.
Because they have seasons.
Yeah.
And there's updates and new features and all that stuff.
Here's a quote. It says, "It's going to take more time to land a high-quality, full-featured 4-player network co-op experience in the massive, wide-open world of Halo Infinite. We're also committed to a great 2-player split-screen co-op experience on all Xbox consoles from the original Xbox One through Xbox Series X. The non-linear, wide-open sections of the campaign present some big challenges for split-screen that have taken us more time to solve." I mean, yeah, I guess the world has gotten bigger and more dense and more resource intensive than previous versions. I don't know how big the demand is. I know a lot of people are now. Okay, by the way, so early Halo, like childhood Halo, I'm doing co-op local. We're talking here about co-op online. So that's slightly different.
And the way that the world is built in the campaign, it's like free roaming. So it's not like mission to mission.
Wait a
It's
second.
an open
Never
world.
mind. They're saying split screen co-op experience. So
That's what they're trying to do.
So they are
as
talking
well.
about local, like
Yes.
real old school co-op.
As well as multiplayer co-op.
Okay, cool. Well, anyway, I'm if there were a one that I would be excited for, it would be the local one, because then I could suit up with the kids.
Yes.
And do it
Have their own
like
little LAN
local
party.
would be no LAN. No LAN. I'm saying split screen.
Yeah. Okay.
Can't I do
But you have kids though. It's like plural. So don't you need like an extra Xbox and LAN party? That
so we could just do the 2-player co-op and then just trade.
Oh, okay.
Just swap. Yeah, you die, you swap.
Okay.
You die, you swap. What the hell? Look at this. He thought he was just going to slide in there like that. You have a camera for him? Yeah. Look at this.
He made it.
My God. Look at the
Welcome.
concurrent viewers spiking.
Yeah.
And just hold that camera for a while. Let the people gaze upon what they were missing previously. Holy, he casually marches over here. I'm talking about Mo, ladies and gentlemen. He decided to resume. He said he was doing work. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just saying I don't know one way or the other what was going on down there. I personally saw you and Kirk like doing dance moves and stuff. Right. So it was questionable whether it was work or not.
Well, stay tuned. Unbox Therapy. Check it out.
Stay tuned for Unbox Therapy. No one can hear anything Mo's saying, but he says stay tuned. His mic is off. Well,
his mic
it's not about the location of his microphone.
I apologize.
Will has like 27 jobs over there, guys.
Yeah,
so you got
many buttons
you gotta give him a break.
switches.
He's trying to be the Halo expert. At the same time, Otis is giving him hell over there. At the same time, Mo decides out of nowhere that he's going to need a microphone because he's joining the show. And Will's got to keep it all together while looking at monitoring things. You know, the show is the show, and using his ears to make sure that everything is so finely recorded.
Yeah.
Right? A special set of ears on him.
These cans.